Guys, it's the first time I'm making a vlog, which I'm going to upload in my YouTube channel, and even my YouTube is also new account. So today, me and my friends we plan to go for trekking, which is at DNO, and I've already reached our meeting point near that DPS. That's DPS Woka. So we plan to meet here because this is the road which we're going to take. Yeah. This is where our real journey begins. We're not even on our halfway. Yes, guys, we're about to reach the gate. This Miss Majubini. 저는 하이 되잖아. I think it's not completed. The gate is not. Gate is not completed. This. So. That's the gate, guys. It's really beautiful.
कंधे पे मेरा बस्ता चला मैं जहाँ ले चला मुझे रास्ता बूंदों पे नहीं बूंदों के समंदर पे इलाही मेरा जी आए आए इलाही मेरा जी आए
Guys, I feel like I'm in China now. See, this is the beauty of nature. Really beautiful.
इलाही मेरा जी आए आए
So guys, this is the view point. I'll show you. The weather is not so good, so it's a little blurry again. This is the highest mountain in Boca, and that's my village. Jigidong, and that's the Woka JNB. And now about all those villages. So this is it. Guys, I don't know who murdered this murder case. See, मुझे नहीं पता कि ये किसने मार डाला. पूरा पकवान ला है.